Really interesting. In all honesty, I wish it had been a kind of a full-day event or even a two-day event, because I've come away from it fascinated in everything that's been talked about, but yeah, kind of hunger for more.
I thought it was excellent. I really had a good time. Great set of speakers. I really like to hear about Pottermore, which I thought was a fantastic undertaking and very daring.
In this case, the users ended up in Gryffindor and the common room there, where they can participate in social experience and start to win points for their house.
Arsenal is quite a different world, and really like to hear from it too. And then e-consultancy was very informing. I can't really say anything about Tom Ugler, he's my colleague. So.
We did this project called Life and Day, which is not a cheap project, but quite a scrappy, simple idea, something that everyone could get hold of, which is that idea of singularity. Like, what happens if everyone does something at one point? What happens if everyone does something at one moment in one place? And we were like, right, if everyone in the world filmed themselves on one day, and then they all upload their videos, and then what do we do?
So my talk today is about a few things that I personally find interesting about where the internet's at the moment. So it's a few things I've learned about projects that we've worked on at Google, and then a few things that have nothing to do with Google, that are just questions that I think are interesting and will interesting for today's audience.
The speakers were effectively given carte blanche to say what they wanted to say, and I think that particularly showed with the Google speaker.
There's not a kind of strict agenda or topic. People who have an opinion on stuff that's going on right now in digital, just voicing their thoughts and ideas, and so it's quite creative agenda, and I like that.
They weren't restrained by any sort of kind of theme or anything. It was literally what was important for them. And also it meant that you had a great contrast. One who was just saying social media is, it's really important for us at the moment, and the other was just saying just take a step back as a business and see whether it's right for you.
People using them all only for apps, or are they mostly using them to do email and surf the internet? And my guess is it's that.
So today I talked about Arsenal's social media strategy, how that fits in with our wider digital media strategy, and also what we've done well, what we've done badly, the successes we've had, but also some of the problems that we've faced. I hope people found it interesting, and also I hope that the subject matter provoked some thought with most of the audience there.
I quite like the contrast between something as big as Pottermore and then getting right down into the data of an HTML visualization of individual visitors to the site.
I thought the most interesting session was, for me personally, was from e-consultancy. It was a very refreshing reminder that one has to find custom solutions before just branching out in every single direction.
This actually uses HTML5 on both the server side and the client side to stream the data live and then render it using the Canvas API in this sort of snazzy-ish looking thing.
For a few years now at least, the trend has been to go where the customers are on Facebook and Twitter and LinkedIn or wherever it might be and build a presence there. I think what I'm interested to see maybe happen in 10 to 12 is whether brands will start to look more at creating and owning their own communities on their own websites or mobile experiences and things.
Facebook's rise will continue unabated, but the question is how we can use that rise, how we can use that audience to really start to engage them, start to know who they are, and start to find ways of sort of eventually monetizing those people.
Oh, I'll definitely come back to Shuffle again. Yeah, hopefully I'll get an invite, and next year I'll be back here again. Absolutely.
I was here last year, and I'll be here next year if I'm invited.
Absolutely, this is my second year, and I will come next year quite happily.